Hi everybody, today I will show you how to react to WhatsApp messages. To do this, simply navigate to the message that you want to react to. So, for example, I want to react to this WhatsApp message. I can react to this message two ways. If I want to select this message to reply to using a GIF, a text, a video or a photo, I will simply toggle this message to the right. Like I'll take my finger to the top of this message and swap it right. The message will be selected. Now I can simply click on this icon and this will open up my GIF section where I can choose any GIF that I want to use for replying. Just the same way, you can select it and type anything you want, or if you want to reply to a message using an emoji, just navigate to the message, hold it down and you will see emoji reactions just right here. Click on the plus icon and you'll be able to see all the emoji that you will have on your mobile phone. Simply scroll down and select the emoji that you want to reply to that specific message. So that's how you react to WhatsApp messages. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.